friends, welcome back to our channel A Lost Indian in Germany. Today my video topic is about the Hebammes, or called midwife in English. So I am from a country wherein there's no such famous concept of midwives, or I can say there's no official concept of midwives or Hebammes. So firstly I would like to explain what are the purpose of Hebammes, what benefits do you have when you have a Hebame or midwife beside you during your pregnancy, and how you should find a Hebame or how you can find a Hebame. And most important, if you didn't find any Hebame during your pregnancy, then how can you have one to help you after the delivery of baby and during your postpartum period. So first thing first, firstly, who are the Hebames and what are their purpose? So Hebames are the medically trained persons who can help you during entire your pregnancy time and during your postpartum period with the baby problems and with any other questions which you have during the pregnancy. So during your pregnancy, you will be having a monthly checkups with the gynecologist, wherein you can have all your problems discussed. You can have a medical checkup of yourself and your baby as well. But sometimes we do face some difficulties, like we are not able to sleep, we are concerned about our sleeping posture, resting posture, how we should walk, how we should do yogas, and how we should do the exercise and which exercises are important to us. And if you are facing any pain like back pain, knee pain, or if we have swollen legs, or if you have any kind of itching or something, so the first person which you can ask these simple question is your Hebame. They can visit you, they can guide you, they can prescribe you some tips, they can prescribe you some steps or some homemade remedies also. So they can help you with all kind of things, and if they think that it's required a doctor attention, they will suggest you to take a gynecologist appointment before your next appointment is due. So this is the purpose of the Hebame. But the most important thing about the Hebame is here, they do help you during your delivery process also. When your due date is nearby, they can check you every time that you are going to have a labor, or during your entire contraction period, labor delivery process. So that is very important thing which Hebames do here. And the next most important thing which will be meaningful for you all is the postpartum period. Right after the delivery of the baby, there are so many new things about the baby which we do not know, and we do not know how to go about it, like how to check the baby nappies, what kind of a stool it should be, and what should be the baby temperature, how to bath a baby, how to massage a baby. So there are so many questions which you have, and you cannot ask each and every question to the doctor, because you cannot go every time when you have any questions. So best point of contact for you would be the Hebames. So you can schedule an appointment, or you can call them and just ask a questions anytime, whenever you feel like, and they will help you, they will guide you also. This is very important that you have one of the Hebames in your side. And what is the time for searching the Hebames? So the earlier is the best, because if you want an English speaking Hebame, then most earliest is the best, I would say, because they are less in number and they are usually full in capacity. So you need to check that whether an Hebame has a free time around your delivery process. So it is very important to check with them. Once you get to know that you are pregnant, and during your first trimester only, you should start searching for Hebames, and you should have one of them with you. About the cost of having Hebame, this you need to check with your insurance companies, because some insurance do cover their services fully and some insurance partially, and so you have to check with your insurance whether the Habame services are covered fully or partially, or how it goes with your insurance. Now the next thing is how to search a Habame. And every city in Germany, or I would say every state in Germany, has a separate websites wherein you can go and search for Habames. There they do have a phone number and the email address of the Habames. You can directly call them or send them a message. Moreover, every insurance company wherein you have registered, they do have a list of Habames associated with them, where to whom you can call and email, and to whom you can associate with. And then you need to call them or send them a message, and then you can have an appointment and conversation with them, so that you can finalize and make yourself comfortable with the Habame. What if you do not get a Habame during your pregnancy period? So if you do not get the Habames during your pregnancy period, you can have the Habame services during postpartum period and for your baby also. So for this you need to register with the local health authorities. Like we live in Munich, which covers in the state of Bavaria. So the Bavarian government has a separate website which is called echibavaria.de. In this website we need to register with our due date, and we need to inform that when we deliver the baby. Then they schedule a appointment with one of the Habames of the language which you speak, and they do visit you after the delivery to you. So why I'm saying that the Habame visit is required? Because once you deliver the baby in the hospital and you get discharged from the hospital, there's no contact with the doctor in the hospital. Now you need to contact either the Habame or the gynecologist. So during the postpartum, just right after you get discharged from the hospital, it is not at all possible to go to the gynecologist place for any queries or for any checkups or for any kind of questions which you have. All you can have is a Habame by your side who can visit you at your home and guide you that how to go about it. So you can register with your state or city local websites which provide such kind of help. Also, I will share the links of few websites in my description, so that you can have a general idea about how to go for it for every state. For Munich and the cities covered in the state of Bavaria, you can refer the echibavaria.de, which I will also mention in the description section. And if you have any questions related to Habames, feel free to write it in the comment section. I will definitely try to help and respond to them. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe our channel if you do find that this information is good and helpful for you.